Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Now I will discuss about AP Polyset 2019 model paper in classification of elements. The first question is, according to Pauling, the electronegativity values are based on options. First option, ionization energy. Second option, electron affinity. Third option, both 1 and 2. Fourth option, bond energy. So according to Pauling scale, the electronegativity values are based on bonding energy. Next question, the orbital with highest penetration power is option 1 s orbital, option 2 p orbital, option 3 d orbital, option 4 f orbital. In this order is the order is penetration power s greater than, p greater than, d greater than f. So this is the penetration power order. So highest penetration power is s orbital, second one p, d, f. So our option is s orbital. So if the orbital with lowest penetration power means here f orbital will become. So next, third question, Mendeleev's periodic table is based on. So Mendeleev's periodic table is when the elements are arranged based on Mendeleev's periodic table atomic weight. If modern periodic table means atomic number. So next question, total number of elements in Newland's periodic table is option 1 64, option 2 48, option 3 56, option 4 65. So our option is, correct answer is 56. Now discuss about AP Polyset 2018 model paper. First question, as per Moeller chart, the correct ascending order of energy in the following atomic orbitals is, our first option is 3p less than, 3d less than, 4s less than, 4p. Second option is 3p less than, 4s less than, 3d less than, 4p. Third option, 3d less than, 3p less than, 4s less than, 4p. Fourth option, 3p less than, 3d less than, 4p less than, 4s. So here observe, according to Moeller chart. So this is the Moeller chart, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 3p, 4p, 5p, 3d, 4d, 5d, 4f, 5f. So this is the order. So according to Moeller chart, so it will be starting from 3p orbital. So first 3p, next 4s, next 3d, next 4p. This is the correct answer for this question. So this option where is 3p less than, 4s less than, 3d less than, 4p. The correct answer is second option. Next question, which of the following elements constitute a Doppler triode? So here Doppler triode means first and the average of first and third element atomic weight equal to middle element. So that's then in this is the another property is there. So both three triodes means three elements having same properties. So that's then first option is lithium, sodium, potassium. Second option is sodium, potassium, aluminum. Third option is carbon, oxygen, fluorine. Third option is helium, hydrogen, carbon. So out of 4 options, first option is correct. Due to lithium, sodium, potassium having same properties, and also this lithium atomic weight 9, sodium atomic weight 23, potassium atomic weight 38. So here according to Dabonetreib 9 plus 38 by 2, so 38 47 23.5. so averagely it is equal to middle element. So this is the correct answer for this question. Next question, the formula of compound formed between the element of X. So one element given X and second A group, this element contains contains second A group element, and another element Y of seventh A group is dash. So first option is xy, second option is xy3, third option x2y, fourth option is xy2. Here second group elements means its valency 2. For example, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium elements. Next seventh group elements halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So here observe, this is, we can say X, this is Y. This valency 2, second group elements valency equal to 2, seventh group elements valency 1. So here X, Y, so X valency 2, Y valency 1. We can write the cross multiplication X Y2. This is the correct answer. For example, XY2 means fourth option is correct. For example, beryllium, its valency 2. In this Cl, this valency 1. Cross multiplication BeCl2. This is the correct answer. So BeCl2 like that, XY2. Fourth question, which group elements have the outer electronic configuration of as NS2 NP3? First option is fifth A group, second fourth A group, third option second A group, fourth option third B group. Here NS2 NP3 easily observed how many electrons. First of all, we'll count the how many electrons, 2 plus 3 total 5 electrons. So NS2 NP3 5 electrons means which group elements? Fifth group elements. This is the correct answer. NS2 NP3, so total 5 electrons, so it is equal to fifth A group elements. Next, AP Polyset 2017 model paper. The first question is the valency of aluminum in Al2O3, aluminum trioxide, with respect to oxygen is. Option is option 1 2, option 2 3, option 3 1, option 4 1.5. So here in Al23 aluminum trioxide, so find out the aluminum oxidation number. So oxidation numbers is equal to valency. So here observed easily we have identified Al, aluminum. So this aluminum is the third group element. So aluminum is the third group element. So third group elements means it is the valency equal to third group elements. So aluminum valency 3. So easily identified 3. So next question, which of the following ions is largest in size? So first option is Na plus, second option is magnesium plus 2, option 3 Al plus 3, aluminum plus 3, fourth option H plus. So largest size, so here in group top to bottom atomic size increases. In period left to right decrease. So now I will find out the every element which group. First sodium plus, this sodium plus first group element, magnesium second group element, Al plus 3 third group element, hydrogen first group, but it is not find out first group or any. This now sodium first group, second group, third group. So according to this, here group top to bottom increases, but here we can take group period left to right decrease. So Na plus having highest energy than magnesium plus 2, next Al plus 3. This is the correct order for this. Largest in size means is the first option is sodium plus. Other than which of the following ions is small in size means Al plus 3 is the correct answer. Next question. The correct ionization energy order in the following sets of element is. First option is carbon greater than, oxygen greater than, nitrogen. Second option is nitrogen greater than, oxygen greater than, carbon. Third option is oxygen greater than, nitrogen greater than, carbon. Fourth option is nitrogen greater than, carbon greater than, oxygen. Same, it is also follow to group and period. Top to bottom. Top to bottom, ionization energy decreases. Period left to right increases. So it is the every option is different types of groups. That's why we consider the period. For example, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Carbon is the fourth group element, nitrogen is the fifth group, oxygen is the sixth group. So according to this, in period ionization energy left to right increases. That's then according to this rule, first oxygen, nitrogen and carbon, but this is the wrong answer due to half-filled orbitals having more ionization energy. So for example, nitrogen, helium, atomic number 7, 2s2, 2p3. In this 2 electrons, in this 3 electrons. So this is the half-filled. That's why half-filled orbitals having filled means ionization energy values are more than other elements. That's why first nitrogen greater than, oxygen greater than, carbon. This is the correct answer for this question. Second option is correct. Next, the formula of the compound formed by the A plus 3 and B minus 2 is. Options is A3, first option is A3B2, second option is A2B3, third option is AB, fourth option is A2B. So this the A plus 3 means it is the third group element, B minus 2 means it is the chalcogens family, means oxygen family. Oxygen family means for example 2A plus 3 plus 3B minus 2 gives rise to A3B2. This is the correct answer. So A3B2 is the correct, first answer is correct for this question.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this